Hey folks, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Notebook LM Plus and a few other updates that Notebook LM has got in the past few days. Before we get into the video, let's understand what Notebook LM is. Notebook LM is an AI powered note taking tool that you can use to gain insights from documents. It's like a virtual research assistant. You can use it for summarization, question answering, and podcast generation. If you want a deep dive video for Notebook LM, I've already made that. You can check out that, it's in the description. Additionally, if you want to look at how to create audio overviews and podcast generation inside of Notebook LM, you can check that video out too. Let's look at the key updates that Notebook LM has actually got. It has expanded source integrations, it has a new interface. There is now audio interactivity update inside of the podcast where you can interrupt and talk and chat with the podcast, and you can even ask questions and get answers immediately. Notebook LM now uses the new Gemini 2.0 Flash model, and Notebook LM also provides a new premium version. Notebook LM Plus provides smarter notes, faster insights, and a premium power. Now, why Notebook LM Plus? Unlock advanced tools for professionals, researchers, and students. It has faster AI processing for large and complex projects. There are exclusive features designed for power users. Notebook LM Plus comes with a new set of features and higher usage limits, including 5 times more audio overviews, notebooks, and source per notebook. Notebook Plus will be available with enterprise grade protection for businesses, schools, and universities, organizations, and enterprise customers via Google Workspace, or can be purchased separately via Google Cloud. Explore all the benefits and pricing in the website link given here. Now let's take a look at the demo and let's just see what's new in Notebook LM. In their latest article, they mentioned that Notebook LM now has a new UI. We can now engage in the audio overview, and there are new premium plus features. So let's look at it, the example. So this is what a new notebook inside of Notebook LM looks like. You have the sources on the right nicely designed here, and you can even close them here, and you can expand it. You have a main chat section here where you have the basic, you have the name of the notebook and a short summary about it. You can even save this and even copy it to your clipboard. If you want to add additional notes on your chat dashboard, you can even add note. You can go to the audio overview, and you can even generate a briefing doc. Other than that, there are the same features in Notebook LM where you could type in anything that you need inside the prompt section and then ask for questions or stuff. You can even add notes, get study guides and stuff. But they have created a new side here, that's Studio. So this is the Studio panel where you have your audio overview, and there's a new button here that is interactive mode that's in the beta form right now. So let's take a look at how it works. Let's click on it. On clicking, you will be taken to the notebook here, and I'll just click on play.
It seems like AI is everywhere we look these days.
Oh, yeah.
Headlines all over the place.
Right.
But we're not chasing Mike today.
No. No.
So this notebook is an article breakdown of my article that I've uploaded on Premier Cloud's blog that talks about how to choose the right Gemini AI model for you. It's a quick guide that will help you choose the right Gemini model suited for your use case. I'll be leaving this article link in the description. You can check that out. So this is the article breakdown. So this audio overview talks about this article, and I'm going to be asking it a few questions and seeing whether it's able to answer it.
We're going to deep dive into Google's Gemini AI models,
Okay.
see what the fuss is all about, and
Yeah.
more importantly, what it could actually do, for our listeners.
Right. Oh, hey, our listener wants to join in. What's up?
What article are you referencing?
That's a great question.
Yeah, we should have mentioned that at the start.
We're basing this deep dive on a guide from Premier Cloud.
They're a Google Cloud partner, so it's, straight from the source.
It's like how to choose the right Gemini AI model, a quick guide.
So if you want to check it out yourself, that's the one we're referencing.
And we'll be sure to mention the source more often as we go forward.
Good call.
Oh, go for it.
Who is the writer of the article?
That's another great question.
Yeah, it's good to know who's behind the information.
According to the article, it was written by Arian Irani,
And as we mentioned before, it's from Premier Cloud.
so they have some expertise in this area.
Yeah, and it's important to keep in mind as we explore.
So here you saw we actually interrupted and joined the conversation and asked questions back and forth, and then they continue having the original conversation. So this is how basically while you are studying through your notes or understanding new topics, whenever you have a doubt, this is like having an actual teacher or a research assistant next to you. So you're having a conversation, and if you have a question, you can stop and you can ask and get an answer for it and then continue with the whole conversation. So this is a very interesting tool, and you should even check out the Notebook LM Plus. I'll be leaving all the resources and the links in the description. You can check that out. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, and for more content hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.